What's up guys, Universe Explained here. Jupiter has always been my favorite planet. Not because it's beautiful, but because it's extreme. It's the largest planet in our solar system. It has storms bigger than Earth. And its gravity, it's so strong, it can tear entire asteroids apart. So today, I want to answer one simple question. What really happens when an asteroid hits Jupiter? Does it explode? Does Jupiter even notice? And why is Jupiter so important for our solar system? Let's find out. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's more than 11 times wider than Earth and over 300 times more massive. But what would actually happen if an asteroid collided with Jupiter? Would it crash into the planet like on Earth? Would Jupiter be damaged? Or would the asteroid simply disappear? To understand this, we first need to understand what Jupiter is made of. Jupiter is called a gas giant because it doesn't have a solid surface like the Earth or Mars. The planet is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. The gases become denser and denser the deeper you go. This means an asteroid cannot land on Jupiter. Instead, it enters an extremely thick and violent atmosphere. When an asteroid approaches Jupiter, it is pulled in by the planet's enormous gravity. As a result, the asteroid accelerates to incredible speeds, often more than 60 kilometers per second. Once it enters Jupiter's atmosphere, the asteroid experiences intense friction, pressure and heat. Small asteroids are completely destroyed high in the atmosphere. They heat up, break apart and vaporize within seconds. Larger asteroids survive longer, but they do not reach a solid surface because there is none. Instead, the increasing pressure causes the asteroid to violently explode. These explosions release enormous amounts of energy, sometimes more than nuclear weapons. The impact creates massive fireballs, shockwaves and towering plumes of hot gas. From space, these explosions appear as bright flashes, followed by dark clouds in Jupiter's atmosphere. On rocky planets like Earth, asteroid impacts create craters. On Jupiter, no craters form. However, the explosion leaves a dark scar and disrupted cloud patterns in the atmosphere. Depending on the size of the asteroid, these marks can remain visible for weeks or even months. In 1994, scientists observed a real collision. The comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 broke into multiple fragments and crashed into Jupiter. Each fragment caused an explosion larger than the entire Earth. This event clearly showed how Jupiter captures and destroys incoming objects. Jupiter is not seriously affected. The planet is so massive that even large impact barely changed it. The energy is absorbed, the atmosphere slowly settles, and Jupiter continues as if nothing happened. Because of its strong gravity, Jupiter pulls in many asteroids and comets. This reduces the number of dangerous objects that reach the inner solar system. In that sense, Jupiter acts as a kind of cosmic shield for planets like Earth. When an asteroid hits Jupiter, it does not crash into its surface. Instead, it's torn apart, vaporized and absorbed into the planet's atmosphere. Jupiter does not explode. It does not break. It simply consumes the asteroid. And that's the end of the video. Maybe Jupiter just consumed another asteroid and the solar system stayed a little safer. If you enjoyed this journey through space, there's a lot more to explore. Subscribe for more planets, more science and more cosmic events. I would really appreciate if you would leave a like and comment down below which planet we should cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.